The president earlier today lent his presence in leading the inauguration of a piece of critically needed expressway linking General Trias City in Cavite to Binyan City in Laguna in a drastically abbreviated trip of less than 30 minutes from the old hour-long drive and/or commute. Our Sheila Natividad has more details on the newly opened piece of Calix Freeway.
President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. led the opening of subsection 3 of the Cavite-Laguna Expressway or CALAX, a 7.88-kilometer stretch of road extending to the Governor's Drive interchange in General Trias from the Aguinaldo Drive in Silang. The new segment is expected to help ease traffic congestion. From the original 1-hour travel time between General Trias and Silang is expected to be reduced to 26 minutes, which the President said will bring significant relief to motorists.
At hindi lang kasi mabibilisan ay dahil ma-relieve din ang traffic. At tinitignan namin doon sa mapa ay yung inaantay natin ng matagal na galing dito sa Silang hanggang Kawit na.
President Marcos added that the travel time between the province and cities will also be convenient, especially for employees.
Yung dati mga 2 oras, magiging kalahating oras, 45 minutes na lang. At ulit, kahit na nagtatrabaho ka sa Taguig, pwede kang nakatira dito sa Cavite.
The CALAX project took around 10 years to develop, with a new segment designed to serve more motorists and improve road efficiency. It will also serve as an alternative route to help decongest busy local and service roads in the area. Meanwhile, the President also announced that toll fees will be free along CALAX subsection 3 for 1 month starting at midnight, while existing toll rates remain in effect for other operating segments.
I can announce na mabuksan ito starting 12 midnight tonight. And for 1 month, walang muna toll. So, yung ating mga kababayan, gamitin po ninyo, makita ninyo, maramdaman ninyo na ang malaking ginhawa na dinadala ng itong mga ganitong malalaking project.
Aside from 1 month free toll in this segment, it is expected to accommodate additional 6,000 motorists per day. And once completed, the 44.6-kilometer CALAX will connect the Manila-Cavite Expressway or Cavitex in Kawit to the South Luzon Expressway or SLEX in Mamplasan, featuring 8 key interchanges to improve the flow of transport and trade. The combined expressway network is expected to serve up to 95,000 vehicles daily. Sheila Natividad from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.